I have a Cadillac CTS here, bunch of quarter panel damage. I have a Cadillac CTS here. This one has a bunch of quarter panel damage. It's completely demolished, and the wheelhouse in here is also rolled in. But I think if I grab it and pull it, that should all work back right into shape. So this one's going to get a new quarter panel. However, on these, you have to buy an entire uniside. They don't sell the quarter panel individually, but it will get sectioned in somewhere right in here. And there's actually a measurement for it, but it's somewhere right in here. I'll cut that and section that piece in. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple light pulls, work that wheelhouse back out, and then I will start cutting this one apart. So I got this one roughly pulled out. I'm gonna have to do a little more work on that wheelhouse once I get this quarter panel cut off and out of my way. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna hack this off right here. Just get this bottom part out of my way so I can finish working that wheelhouse out. So I have this quarter panel sitting on here and it's overlapping the existing panel on the car. I'm gonna scribe this. As well as down here. And then I'll lift this back off and I'll go ahead and trim this out the rest of the way, and that'll give me a perfect cut. So GM wants me to make a backer plate to go behind each of these seams. They want a 50mm backer plate here at the top, which is what I have right here. And I'm gonna drill these out and this will get plug welded inside of there. And then they want a 100mm backer plate at the bottom seam here. So I'll do the same thing here and get both of these plug welded in. So I have this one all fit together. I have my door gap nice and even, as well as the tail light and trunk lid. Everything lines up, fits nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this one back apart. This one gets some adhesive through the wheel well, so I'll have to lift the quarter panel back off and then I will get this put back on.